Hello, 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 happy hypermobile humans. If you are doing exercises for thoracic outlet syndrome, you should be including mobility exercises because, as we know, with thoracic outlet syndrome, the muscles get tight. And so they need some gentle mobility. We know if we do too much mobility, it tends to irritate the shoulder. So gentle, focused, as big a range of motion as we can get. Mobility exercises will be great for thoracic outlet syndrome. So I'm going to show you one today using a wall and a towel. The key here is not how much range of motion you can get. The key is using your brain and your focus to remain aware of the connection between your hand and your shoulder as you're doing the exercise. I'm going to show you the exercise now. You're going to need a towel and a space of wall as well. You're going to place the towel between your hand and the wall. You could do it palm on the wall, or you could do it outer edge of the hand. I'm going to tell you a little tip. The outer edge of the hand connects fascially right up to our shoulder. So there is a line of connective tissue that runs across the arm from the pinky finger to the shoulder blade on the inside here. This can be pretty nice if we're tight around this area using the outer edge of the hand, but if that doesn't feel comfortable for you, then you're just going to use the palm. You're going to place your hand against the wall at shoulder height, and it's going to be a little bit outside of your shoulder, a little bit wider to keep the front of the shoulders open. So find a comfortable standing position here with your best yet relaxed posture, a nice tall spine. You're going to reach your feet into the floor and simply slide your hand up the wall. So I'll have you do that one time and just notice what range of motion did you get? How did that feel for your shoulder? The next time we're going to do it with some focus and get our brain involved. So this time I'd like you to press gently into the wall and feel where the most pressure is between your hand and the towel. So I feel the most pressure between my pinky finger and the wall. So as I slide my hand up the wall, I'm going to maintain that pressure between my pinky finger and the wall. And now I feel some more work happening in my arm. And then I'm going to bring it down. And then press a little harder into the wall, like put your whole weight into it, and then release. And then notice if the pressure between your hand and the wall has changed. Is there a particular finger that you feel the most pressure at, or a particular part of your palm? And now I feel more pressure between the base of my thumb and the towel. So now I'm going to maintain a little extra pressure between the base of my thumb and the towel as I move up. So as I did that, I found that went up into my shoulder, and I did not like that. So I'm going to change that pressure and go somewhere else. I'm going to release the pressure at the base of my thumb, and I'm going to go back to the pinky finger because I could really felt good for both my brain and my shoulder when I pressed that little bit extra into the pinky finger and moved my hand up and down. Give that a try. Let me know in the comments how it goes. Of course, you can try both arms if you have thoracic outlet syndrome in both arms, and it's just a great exercise for thoracic outlet syndrome, for range of motion, but integrating the brain and sensory feedback through your hand to really get the exercise integrated into your body and relieve those symptoms of thoracic outlet syndrome. I'll see you in the next video.